Hi, Boris Chernin here with Be Ready Emergency Preparedness. You know, in any emergency situation, water is absolutely crucial. You need it for thirst, or personal hygiene, or decontamination, or even refilling a vehicle's radiator. A great place to look for water if you're stuck in an emergency situation is a commercial building or restaurant, or some kind of freestanding business. But a lot of times access to water at these places is restricted. And in order to get access to it, you need this. This is called a Sillcock key, and it's used by maintenance personnel to access restricted water at these commercial properties. Now, I'm out and about here in Los Angeles in an urban environment, and we're going to find one of these locations with restricted water, and I'm going to show you how to open it with the Sillcock key. Let's go. So here I found a restricted access spigot on a commercial building. I've got my Sillcock key. Put it in. Fill up my bottle. I got water. So now you know how to find water in an urban environment with a Sillcock key. We actually include these in our Be Ready Deluxe Edition emergency kits, available on www.be-readyprep.com. You should really pick one up. That way you too can always be ready. See you next time.